The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is generating significant buzz among photographers and hybrid shooters, and for good reason. The original R7 already set a high bar for APS-C cameras, offering a compelling mix of reach, speed, and modern autofocus in a compact, versatile body. Now, rumors suggest Canon is preparing a major upgrade, a 40-megapixel stacked sensor that could completely redefine what APS-C cameras are capable of. While at first glance 40 megapixels may seem excessive for this sensor size, it aligns with Canon's philosophy of treating APS-C as a distinct system with professional-level capabilities, not just a smaller or budget-friendly alternative to full-frame. The move reflects a thoughtful evolution, one that balances resolution, speed, and usability rather than chasing a single spec for marketing purposes. The real excitement lies in the stacked, backside illuminated design of the rumored sensor. Stacked sensors significantly improve readout speed, which directly impacts rolling shutter, autofocus responsiveness, and burst performance. In practical terms, this could allow the Canon EOS R7 Mark II to handle fast-moving subjects with greater predictability, whether you are photographing wildlife, sports, or other dynamic scenes. Electronic shutter operation could also become more reliable, reducing the distortions typically seen in APS-C cameras when panning quickly. In essence, resolution ceases to be just a matter of detail and becomes an integral factor in how the camera feels and performs in real-world shooting scenarios. Autofocus is another area where this potential upgrade could be transformative. The current R7 already performs well, but unpredictable subject movement can occasionally challenge its tracking system. A stacked sensor paired with advanced processing could minimize these issues, allowing autofocus to lock onto subjects more confidently across multiple frames. Combined with higher burst rates, this could make APS-C shooting feel deliberate and controlled, turning the Canon EOS R7 Mark II into a reliable tool for action photography. For wildlife or sports photographers, these improvements are likely to have a tangible impact, ensuring more consistent results in fast-paced situations. Video performance is equally compelling. A 40-megapixel APS-C sensor might suggest the possibility of 8K capture, but the real advantage lies in efficiency and quality rather than sheer numbers. Stacked sensors improve heat management and readout efficiency, which reduces rolling shutter and allows longer recording times. Oversampled 4K could provide higher clarity, more accurate colors, and smoother motion than traditional 4K recording, making the Canon EOS R7 Mark II a true hybrid camera. While it may not be a cinema-level device, the combination of high-quality stills and reliable video positions it as a versatile tool for creators who need both formats without compromise. Canon seems to be keeping the design largely familiar, refining what already works rather than overhauling the chassis. The original R7 offered excellent ergonomics, weather sealing, and balanced handling, and incremental improvements are expected in these areas. Connectivity upgrades, including faster Wi-Fi and improved integration with the RF lens ecosystem, will make the camera more practical for on-location shooting and content delivery. Combined with the higher resolution sensor and advanced processing, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II would appeal to hybrid shooters who need a camera that performs well in both stills and video without the size, weight, or cost of a full-frame body. At the same time, Canon is rumored to be releasing a more entry-level APS-C option for beginner creators, the R100V. This model is designed for vloggers and casual photographers who prioritize portability and ease of use over professional-level specs. The R100V is expected to feature a 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with a Digic 8 class processor, offering solid image quality, reliable color reproduction, and user-friendly performance. Autofocus is likely to remain dual-pixel with eye detection in roughly 143 AF zones, sufficient for talking head videos, casual action shots, or day-to-day photography. Video capabilities for the R100V focus on accessibility rather than high-end features. Rumors suggest uncropped 4K at up to 30 frames per second, 4K 60p in a cropped mode, and Full HD at 60 FPS for slow motion. While it may not include Canon Log for advanced color grading, a 10-bit HDR-PQ mode should allow beginners to produce punchy and vibrant footage straight from the camera. These features position the R100V as an ideal upgrade from smartphones or older entry-level models, offering practical tools without overwhelming new creators. One of the standout upgrades in the R100V appears to be a fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen. This flip-out display makes framing shots easier for solo creators and vloggers, particularly when recording at low angles, holding a microphone, or working in tight spaces. To maintain its compact size and affordable price, the EVF is likely absent, keeping the camera lightweight at around 356 grams. Additional features, such as a single UHS SD card slot, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and compatibility with Canon Camera Connect, allow remote control and easy transfer of images and videos. Continuous shooting is expected to reach about 6.5 frames per second, and battery life is estimated at 450 shots per charge using the E17 battery. Weather sealing and advanced stabilization are likely limited, reflecting trade-offs designed to keep the camera under $650 with a kit lens. Together, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II and R100V represent two complementary strategies in Canon's APS-C lineup. The R7 Mark II targets advanced enthusiasts and hybrid shooters, emphasizing high performance, precision, and versatility, while the R100V serves as a practical, entry-level tool for beginners seeking convenience, ergonomics, and reliable performance for photography and video. Canon's approach appears deliberate, provide a high-end APS-C experience for professionals while simultaneously nurturing the next generation of creators with a capable, budget-friendly option. The R7 Mark II may redefine the expectations of APS-C cameras. Its rumored 40-megapixel stacked sensor, improved autofocus, and advanced burst and video performance suggest a camera that balances speed, resolution, and usability. This makes APS-C a deliberate choice rather than a compromise, offering professional-level functionality in a smaller, more versatile package. Meanwhile, the R100V provides a practical, user-friendly upgrade path for beginners, with thoughtful features designed to improve workflow, video, and image quality in a compact body. Photographers considering the Canon EOS R7 Mark II will need to ask whether the sensor's higher resolution, stacked design, and improved performance will meaningfully impact their workflow. For creators focused on action photography, wildlife, sports, or hybrid work, the R7 Mark II could be transformative. For beginner creators, the R100V offers a well-rounded, practical solution for photography and video without the need for professional-level investment. Canon appears to be addressing the needs of both ends of the market, ensuring that APS-C is more than a stepping stone, it is a viable, capable system in its own right. Ultimately, both cameras highlight Canon's evolving approach to APS-C photography. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II demonstrates a commitment to hybrid performance, stacking advanced sensor technology, autofocus improvements, and video capability in a compact form. Meanwhile, the R100V prioritizes practicality, ergonomics, and beginner-friendly functionality, ensuring that new creators have access to a capable tool for image making and video creation. Together, these models reinforce that APS-C is not just an alternative to full-frame, it is a platform that can offer purpose-built, highly capable cameras for both professionals and beginners. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II and R100V show that APS-C can deliver thoughtful, deliberate performance across a range of needs. From professional hybrid shooters to beginner vloggers, these cameras reflect a deliberate balance of innovation, practicality, and usability. If the rumors hold true, Canon is quietly redefining APS-C, offering both high-performance options and accessible solutions that serve a wide spectrum of photographers and creators, from those seeking technical excellence to those prioritizing portability and simplicity.